Hey guys, what's up, Anushkins? I'm back on the sets of Cetaphil Presents, not just a chat show. Oh my god, the last episode was just so amazing, and you guys are so sweet. I loved that you guys were giving your feedback and so many comments, so much love. Keep it coming. Talking about guests, today we have a very special person coming. We have the MasterChef winner, Shipra Khanna. Oh wait, no, she's not just a MasterChef. She is इसके लिए क्यों काट चाहिए? She is MasterChef, author, TV host, content creator, restaurant consultant. The list is long. I have to ask her कि 50 चीजें कैसे कर रही है वो? Oh my God, I have to ask her so many things. So guys, I'm gonna ask her everything. But if you have any questions for her, you can DM it to me. I'm gonna ask her before the show begins. Okay? Now I really gotta go, but don't forget to watch on Z Cafe. Cetaphil presents not just a chat show. Bye.
Guys, lights change karo.
So, MasterChef herself. Hi, how are you?
Very well. How are you, Anushka?
I'm good.
Looking great, and you're doing a fab job.
Look who's saying. Look at you. You're looking so good. Please sit.
Thank you.
We have some time to roll. Guys, कितना time है?
20 minutes to go.
Oh, great. So before the chat show actually begins, I'm gonna ask you my question, okay?
Yeah, shoot.
So MasterChef, I'm a huge fan of the show. Like, were you nervous or were you like scared? What was your feeling and how has the show changed your life?
As a child, when I was like 9 years old, I actually went in the kitchen and started cooking. It wasn't the best dish, it was a big flop, but since then I started getting into baking and I started baking breads and you know, it was just, it was a process. And of course, winning MasterChef India, it just gave me that entire platform to kind of make my passion into a profession. Wow. And I was like, you know, after winning, I was like, I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to like find my career here in the kitchen.
Lovely. Whenever I'm like, you know, looking at the internet, I'm looking at your profile, you're traveling, you're associated with restaurants and you're cooking, obviously you're writing a book. I mean, how many things? You're doing like 50 things together. How are you doing it?
I mean, I just love, you know, when your passion is your profession, it's very simple. When your passion is your profession, you just enjoy every bit of it. Whether, like, you know, being a chef, I curate menus, I do a lot of, I create content, and this is my 8th book. It's my 8th book and
it's amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, because you know writing a book actually takes a lot of time and effort. It's called #Health Unlimited and I've got this one copy for you, Anushka.
Wow. Thank you so much.
I wish you very good health, like Health Unlimited.
Wow, thank you so much. People are gonna get so inspired from you. We all are inspired by you, literally.
Yeah, and we're inspired by you, my dear. Aww. Like you're so young and you're doing brilliantly well and I'm sure like there's so many girls out there who you inspire to, you know, become like you.
Thank you so much.
Really
I'm
nice.
glad.
It's really nice to see. I always like, you know, like say for example, chef was always a profession which was followed by men.
Yeah.
And it was difficult to actually like make a prominent mark there for yourself.
No, even I was going to ask this to you because in MasterChef also I've seen it's mostly boys that we see, right? It's mostly men. So you being a female chef, it's literally like different and you're inspiring so many people. So were you nervous कि मैं अकेली मतलब अकेली तो नहीं but बहुत ही कम लड़कियों में से हूँ and इतने सारे लड़के हैं. Was it like weird for you?
नहीं, कभी ऐसा नहीं था कि it was weird, but हाँ ये this is a fact कि लड़कियाँ मैं जब भी travel भी करती थी या कभी भी in the kitchen I would never see girls working, you know, for some reason.
क्यों? जबकि लड़कियाँ कितना अच्छा खाना बनाती है,
but
right?
it was just like one profession which was like so male dominated, and I did feel a little, you know, like people do not like. I'm sure it's the same way for you, you know, like when you're young and you get into a profession which, you know, people feel that oh she's so young, you know, so they don't take you seriously.
Absolutely, that happens.
A lot of times I've gone through rejection and stuff like that with like brands because, and I did not know like gender could make you get a job or like, you know, not get a job.
And that's so sad because we are literally like 21st century में हैं हम लोग ये और ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए.
Exactly. I think it's a very changing time.
Yeah.
लोग बहुत बदल गए हैं, लोगों की सोच भी बदल रही है.
Yeah.
And I think girls are becoming more independent.
Absolutely.
And they're coming up front and like, you know, they're doing such amazing things.
They're
I
killing
think
it.
it's the era for women now.
Yes, girls are killing it.
Yes.
The future is female and of hot female. Like, look at you. And I want to be fit like you. And how can a chef, like a food chef, be like you? Like, आपको भूख नहीं लगती? Don't you like eat? Are you not a foodie?
I'm a very big foodie.
How?
Trust me, when I go to a restaurant, I would just not order like 1-2 things. I want to have like a good enough menu, you know. But the thing is, you know, it's not about how much you're eating, it's what you're eating. You know,
Really?
you've got to choose your food, you've got to eat right food.
I love chole bhature.
Even I love chole bhature.
Then
Who doesn't love chole bhature?
Will you eat chole bhature?
100%.
Pav bhaji?
Yes.
So you eat all of this and you still
And then I
are
work
slim.
out. And then I work out, you know. I don't want to kill myself, not like, you know, these are like simple things that, I mean, life is to enjoy, right?
Yeah.
If I can't have like guilty pleasure, what's the point? Like we live to eat mostly.
So what don't you eat? Yeah.
I actually eat everything. I love food. I want to like, you know,
मुझे शक हो रहा है बहुत मतलब बहुत शक
you know,
हो रहा है.
मुझे desserts इतनी पसंद है अनुष्का. मुझे इतना मीठा पसंद है. I like मीठा in every meal. मेरा like खाना खत्म सिर्फ मीठे से होता है.
So then either you're working out एकदम एक अलग level का there's some workout you have to tell me now what workout do you do?
No,
Come on.
I love to work out, but I do yoga, I do cardio, I do weights, I do like training. Sometimes I'm swimming and biking. But like I like outdoors a
You're
lot.
doing
a
so
lot.
much. You're traveling and उसमें भी you can like get your fitness.
But this is fun stuff, right? Like मजा आता है आपको थोड़ा. I like sports,
Wow.
so I like food. So I try to
Right.
balance.
You're also glowing. You know what
Yeah.
is your skin secret?
So you know, I actually don't do too much.
Yeah?
Frankly speaking, I don't do anything. I just like scrub sometimes.
Right.
I'll use a face wash.
Right.
A moisturizer.
Right.
That's it.
So you're keeping it like simple.
Yeah, I keep it simple. Plus, you know, I like home remedies.
Home remedies.
Yeah,
That's
you can
great.
do like, you know, say yogurt on your hair.
Ah,
Or you
yeah.
can put
I do
honey
that.
on your skin. You can eat a little, you can put a little.
That's great. So
It's amazing, yeah, isn't it? Like,
it's good, right?
Yeah,
it's good
of
for
course.
both. You can eat it also. It's healthy and it's good for your face. But since
Yeah.
we're talking about skin, so I genuinely do DIYs, but for my skincare, you know, I have a range and I use Cetaphil. I genuinely like swear by Cetaphil.
Yeah.
And that's why I thought since you have not used it before, I have curated a hamper for you and I want you to try it. Like, don't believe me.
Okay,
आप मेरे
fine,
को
done.
believe मत करो, आप खुद try करो and
I
then
love
tell me.
judging. I love
Yeah,
judging.
judging.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, the master chef is judging. Guys, please get me the hamper.
कैमरा पैन कर.
Guys, Dada, gift hamper.
Guys, lights change
I
करो.
love this.
Thank you.
Exposure low कर दे यार थोड़ा.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow,
Woohoo.
that's quite a bit.
Yes, it
Nice.
is. It is all of my favorite products. I'm gonna show you my most favorite product. It's
Okay.
this one. It's a
Okay.
Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I use it for all seasons. And
Nice. Okay.
okay, just and then you go in circular motions.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you feel it? It's like it will not strip off your moisture.
Yeah. Nice.
Right? And next one is this Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Superb. I'm going to
Okay.
show you another one that I've recently started using. Is the Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion.
Oh,
It's
wow.
really good. Let me show you.
I can't wait to get my hands on it.
So see, मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगी इसके बारे में. You just use it first.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
It's
so soft.
The lotion is lightweight, non-sticky, and gives intense hydration. Right?
Yeah, amazing.
Do not feel it's sticky or anything.
Yeah,
Right?
I don't feel sticky. Yeah, true. Nice.
Now you know what is the most important product like for the day.
Okay.
What is it?
I don't know.
Not moisturizer. Moisturizer is important, but the most important is sunscreen.
Oh yes, undoubtedly.
Yes. So
True.
it's the Cetaphil. I'm also gonna take it a little bit. Can take it a
Okay.
little bit to try the texture. So it's very good. And it doesn't have a white cast. So I love that about this sunscreen.
Yeah.
So that's why I thought that I should give you this hamper. You can
Thank
try
you.
all
That's
of
really
these products.
thoughtful. I really need it, you know, because I'm always cooking or like, you know, making
And you're always
recipes.
traveling.
And traveling. You know, I need like the right
Yeah, right product. So let me know how you like it, okay?
Yeah, I really
माइक
like
दे
it.
दो यार, लगा दो, जल्दी लगा दो.
यार पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? So let's go to the green room.
Perfect.
Let's get mic'd up.
Let's do that.
Sid दीदी, mic ले लो. Finally, we are mic'd up.
Yeah.
But guys, how long?
Yes, we have 5 minutes to roll.
5 minutes. So,
Exposure low कर दे यार
Shipra di, what I did, and I was live on Instagram talking to my followers, my Anushkins, I call them.
Nice.
So I told them that you're coming on my show. So before the show begins, I told them to, DM me some questions about you. So they have DM'd me a lot of questions for you. So if it's okay, I can ask you a little
I
questions.
love it. I love answering questions.
Oh, great. It's called the Ask Me Anything
Okay.
with Shipra Khanna today.
Okay,
yeah?
perfect.
So one dish or cuisine that you hate to make.
I actually love cooking,
Yeah.
but if there's too much, those leisure cooking, जिसको कहते हैं ना कि आपको घंटों उनको पकाना है,
Yeah.
भूनना है, that is too time consuming. So I like to, take it easy there.
Yeah. The biggest enemy of healthy skin in our kitchen is?
Oil, definitely. अगर आप जितना fried खाएंगे, आपके उतना ही bacteria, it's basically dead skin. Acne is nothing but dead skin that gets accumulated.
Right.
तो अगर आप fried खाना खाएंगे, तो definitely skin खराब हो जाएगी ज़्यादा.
Got it. It's gonna be so good for my followers. There's so many questions saying we loved you in MasterChef, lots of love. My God, they have so much. They're sending you love because they loved you on the show.
Yeah, so sweet.
Your top 3 guilty pleasures.
It's sugar, and sugar. I just love desserts. I have to have dessert. Like with every meal, I need something meetha in the end.
That's so nice. I'm a Bengali, no?
Yeah, I love your
Mithai
sweet
to is
Bengali
our
sweet.
culture. Okay, dating advice for women.
Just go easy, just take your time before dating anyone.
Take it slow.
Yeah, take your time. Like
Right.
just, analyze. You don't have to jump into dating.
Right. Next question, a hair or skin DIY hack that you swear by.
So, for glowing skin, try organic honey or honey, that you get in the market. Just put it on your face, leave it for like 10 minutes, just wash, and, if you're going for a meeting or whatever, you'll be shining.
Wow, that's good. And for hair?
Hair, you can grow aloe vera and you can just like make a paste of it with coconut oil and just apply it. It really nourishes your hair, especially with water. Like in Mumbai, you have like really, your hair is actually left dry after washing.
Right.
So this will give like natural nourishment. You can even apply honey to it. So it'll be
good.
like nice and shiny.
Wow, my followers are gonna love that. Okay, if not a chef, you would have been wow.
I would have been a teacher. I love teaching. I still do. I am teaching, but I just love teaching kids and children or whoever. Like.
So any particular do you have in mind? Is it a subject or something like that?
Yeah, so I have actually, in my life, because I love to teach, I have taught 7th, 8th grade kids geography, history, English literature.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing. That's fab. I didn't know that. Okay, what would you rather give up? Okay, cooking or eating?
Eating.
Okay, hosting shows or judging shows?
None.
One.
Come on.
Okay, romance or stability?
Stability.
You have to give up. Okay.
Yeah, stability.
Okay.
Romance is like, it's great. You feel good.
Yeah, that's nice. Desserts or chart?
Chart.
Yeah, I knew it. Good looks or hot physique?
Oh, come on.
Sister,
Come on.
Anushka, I can get both. Look at me.
Yeah, come on.
You were going, I was like, look at you. You're doing both, so cool. So who's your celebrity chef crush?
Okay, my celebrity chef crush is Anthony Bourdain. I mean, unfortunately, he's not with us, but he's really contributed to the culinary industry. He was really good.
Have you met him?
Yes, I have.
Oh wow, how was the experience?
It was amazing. Like, he was really friendly. He was talking about, he was doing a new show, so he was talking about his show and all of that. It was really nice meeting him.
May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
Okay, the weirdest compliment you have ever received?
Actually, like, you don't look like a chef. And I was like, what does a chef look like? Should I come out with like a knife and a hat, or what am I supposed to, like a spatula?
Please
or
tell me
should I
this
be on
is-
fire?
No, please tell me this has happened only once.
No, actually not.
No?
No, a lot of times.
My God, the last celeb you stalked on social media.
I just cook the stock, I never stalk. I just cook the stock. I prepare the stock.
That's like the most impressive and very different answer I've heard.
Yeah,
सब लोग
because-
नाम
but
लेते
it's a fact.
हैं, you've made a line out of it. Very
Yeah,
good.
I don't stalk.
Very good. So lastly, what's the secret behind your bright, healthy and radiant skin?
So, you know, I am a believer, whatever you eat is how you're going to look. So if you eat right, you're going to like sleep right, you're going to be healthy in your mind and your body, everywhere.
Oh, you're forgetting one thing. Sugar. Sugar keeps you happy.
Yeah, absolutely, right?
Oh, you know, there's another thing that makes me happy.
Yeah.
That's coffee. But you know what? Let's do something else.
Yeah.
But if you're on set, let's have cutting chai.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
Let's do that.
Dada, do cutting chai.
लाइट लेगा स्विच पे
Oh, love it.
Wow, Dada, jaldi aa gaye. Wow, thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. See?
टच अप करना
There's no
जरा.
conversation without chai.
This is good.
Yum.
This is like really tasty.
Maza aa gaya.
Oh, by the way, talking about tasty, what is the most like exotic like dish you have made?
I have made a lot of exotic signature
which is your
recipes.
favorite?
You know, herb crust Amritsari fish with potato gratin and pine nut beurre blanc.
Ooh.
And yeah, it's like it's a fusion dish. And I made like garam masala carrot cake. I made like chili baked yogurt, like really crazy combinations. Tandoori chicken pate. So you know, it's been like a fun journey.
So can you invite me to these things
Of
so that I
course.
can have all of this?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah.
So you know, I've done this stunt show where we say creepy crawlies.
Yeah.
But have you like had an experience as we were like creepy crawly जैसा कोई खाना?
Yeah,
have you
of
tasted
course.
or made?
Yeah. I was in Malaysia and we were shooting for this show. And you know, there was we had to cook octopus, and the octopus
I've
was
tried
live.
octopus
And
by
it was
the
live.
Live. Oh my God,
And,
no.
yeah, so it's a whole process. I mean, that's my experience.
I tried इतने tiny वाले octopus in Korea.
Yeah, because the Asians, they have the smaller ones. If you go to Europe, you'll have like big octopus, and I mean, it's a delicacy. It's really delicious.
Yeah. Wow.
अनुष्का शिप्रा, 2 minutes to go.
Oh my God, I totally forgot about it. हम लोग इतनी बातें कर रहे हैं. Now the real show is gonna begin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of
Wow.
course. This was just me chilling with you.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it was fun.
So I am the ready. Are you ready?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Hardeep.
Victor, I want my blazer.
Am I supposed to wear it?
Thank you. See, I got inspired from you since you're wearing your chef coat.
Sure.
I'm wearing my chat show host blazer.
Ah, let's go.
Woohoo.
Come on guys, let's roll. Come on.
Yes,
Yeah,
we are.
now I am.
Okay, perfect. Spot दादा, please ये जल्दी से चाय लेके जाओ जाओ.
जरा कैमरा पैन कर. Close या close. अनुष्का close up.
एक्सपोजर ठीक है सब लाइट का
Okay, is this okay?
You're killing it.
Okay, perfect.
Come on guys, let's roll. Come on. Lights. Sound. Action.
Hello and welcome to Cetaphil presents Not Just a Chat Show with yours truly Anushka Sen. Today as our guest we have the beautiful MasterChef winner, the gorgeous Shipra Khanna.
Thank you.
First of all, I have to say I love your chef coat. I'm loving your look and thank you